What Pella has created here is really a game changer. We've integrated the roll screen into the window.
So the integrated roll screen is built into the bottom and top of the window. And so when you open one of your hungs, the screen comes with it. And so you don't see it when you're not using it or don't need it. But the beauty is then it retracts and hides away back into the frame of the window when the window is closed.
Knowing our customers clean their windows, we knew we had to design around the cleaning features the window already has. When you tilt the lower sash to clean your windows, the screen automatically disengages, making it easier to clean. To re-engage the screen, just put the sash back into the jamb, lower it, and the screen automatically re-engages. Another innovation from Pella, perfectly beautiful.